And temperatures today made it back into the 60s. So yesterday we had a high of 70. Today just a little bit cooler, but still very nice outside. We've got lots of sunshine. It's been a little breezy though. That wind's been out of the north at 20 miles an hour. We had the cold front that came through early this morning around 9 o'clock. But right now we're still sitting at 64 degrees in Denton. We're at 63 in McKinney, still 68 in Terrell, 73 degrees right now in Athens. Satellite and radar showing that the cold front did bring parts of North Texas a little bit of rain, certainly heavier off to the east. The Metroplex not really seeing a whole lot, a few sprinkles in some spots, but now our skies continue to clear out and we're going to stay mostly clear the rest of this evening. But by tomorrow morning, we are expecting some cooler air to move in, and there could be a few sprinkles in some of those far northwest counties, but I think the Metroplex stays dry. You will notice a big temperature difference tomorrow, though. I'm not expecting highs to make it out of the 50s for many of us, but by the time we get back into Thursday, everything looks nice and quiet. Temperatures make it into the 60s. On Friday, we're expecting lots of sunshine and temperatures look warm. We're expected to see highs climb into the low 70s, not just Friday, but Saturday as well. Still lots of sun to go along with it. On Sunday, I actually have temperatures climbing into the mid 70s, despite the fact that we are going to see increasing clouds. This is ahead of another storm system that will be moving our way by early next week. We are still obviously several days out, so the timing of this could certainly change. The intensity of this could change, but as of right now, Monday at 7 o'clock, all the rain is in far west and southwest Texas. By the time we get into Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon, it looks like most of North Texas would be seeing some rain, some of the heaviest by Tuesday evening off to the east. For now, we're keeping the coverage low because, again, we're still several days out, but as we get a little bit closer, we'll fine tune it for you. Tonight, though, we're staying mostly clear, and it will get a lot colder than where we ended up this morning. This morning, we only dropped down into the 50s. Tomorrow morning, we're dropping down into the 30s. So you're going to notice a difference. 39 degrees tomorrow morning in Dallas, 35 in Denton, 36 in McKinney, and 37 tomorrow morning in Greenville. But tomorrow afternoon, again, these are pretty normal temperatures for this time of year, so very seasonal. But after these past couple of days, you're going to notice how much cooler it is. Looking at a high of about 56 in Denton, 54 in McKinney, 57 in Dallas, and 56 tomorrow afternoon in Waxahachie. But tomorrow's the coolest day that we see in a while. We've got a nice warm up on the way. Thursday, temperatures above normal, which is not bad by any means, but this weekend looks really nice. We've got 70s in the forecast for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. On Sunday, it looks like we're going to be 15 degrees above normal. Tonight, though, mostly clear. We're dropping down into the upper 30s, so it's going to get pretty cold. Tomorrow afternoon, just plain cool. We're looking at partly cloudy skies. I think most of us will end up staying dry. Temperatures in the upper 50s. The rest of the week definitely looks dry. We're going to see a lot more sun by the end of the week, and that's when those low 70s return. Mid 70s on Sunday. We stay in the 70s, or at least around 70 degrees on Monday. By Tuesday, there's our next chance of rain, so temperatures go down, but not by much. And then after that, we've got more 70s in the forecast, more 60s in the second half of that 14-day. And for now, on Valentine's Day, it still looks nice, dry, sunny, and fairly warm.